Hey everyone, we are here at Riu Tequila in Playa del Carmen, and we just checked in. This is a basic room, standard room, I suppose, and it looks okay so far. When we arrived, it was around 2:30, and the lady at the front desk said, "Oh, well, why don't you go ahead and eat because they're getting ready to shut the buffet down at 3." So we went over and ate before we even checked in. So that was pretty nice of her to do that because we were starving after being on the plane all day. But I'm gonna back up a little bit so you can see. So this is the bathroom area. We have limited amount of amenities, but that's okay. Here's the shower. It looks like it's just a refillable shampoo, shower gel, generic stuff. So you might want to bring your own amenities if that's not going to be good for you. The bathroom does have a door on it, so that's great. We have an ironing board and an iron, an umbrella, and a safe that looks like it's seen better days. And there's also a mini bar that's included, and a bottle of water. We signed in my nephew as well into a neighboring room, and he got 2 big bottles of water, so not sure why we only have one, but oh, looks like there's a couple more in the mini fridge. So we were told that they refill your mini bar twice or every other day, not every day. So if you need something, you just call them. So for those of you who are interested in what's in here, it looks like we have Canada Dry mineral water, Dos Equis beer, Apura water, Pepsi's, Diet Pepsi, 7-Up. That is it. And the types of liquor, you have tequila, gin, vodka, and rum. And they're big bottles, so hopefully you don't use all those. And so here's your bedroom area. We are in room 1305. Actually 1306, sorry. So this is on the ground floor. I'm not going to go out there because my camera is going to fog up because it's pretty humid, but I'm guessing you'll be able to see a lot of wildlife from our little porch here. So the room looks absolutely fine, and I think we are going to enjoy our stay here. It's pretty close to the pool. There's a number of pools. They don't look super spectacular, but they look absolutely fine. And there's a lot of places that you can eat here at Riu Tequila, and then you can also go for lunch at the neighboring Riu resorts, which are closer to the ocean. And there's also a private beach club area for people who are staying at Riu Tequila down by the water. So you just have to take a golf cart or walk yourself there. But that is my quick little tour of Riu Tequila. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something to help you with your vacation planning. And please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to build it up so I can put a little bit more effort into it. But thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. Have a great day.